I cut our grocery budget in half. I only spend $150 every 2 weeks on our groceries. Tonight, we're making one of our favorite meals, pinto beans and my super sweet cakey cornbread. Yes, this is how I'm showing up. We're gonna start with half a package of bacon, preferably the fattier end. I'm just gonna cut this into little chunks. I have a full package pinto beans soaked overnight. We're gonna drain off this liquid. We're gonna throw all of those in. If you have an issue with gas a lot when you eat beans, soak them overnight and then get rid of that liquid. It really does help. Now, normally I would put in a can of diced green chilies, but guess who forgot to buy a can of diced green chilies? Me. So if you do this recipe, don't forget to buy them. It really does add to it. Put that in here. For the show though is this Fiesta pinto bean seasoning. This stuff is the best. Like 4 tablespoons of this in here. We won't be needing that. I'm also gonna put in some garlic and onion powder, about a tablespoon of each. And I like garlic salt because it just adds flavor while adding in your salt. And of course, pepper, we're gonna do about a teaspoon of pepper. Just gonna put some water in here. So we're right at the top of the beans. We're gonna go about 1.5 inches above them. Put on our lid, set it to sealing, and then we're gonna hit bean chili for the 3-hour mark. Okay, so for the cornbread, my husband had on football really loud, so I'm going to do a voiceover. Our ingredients first: half a cup of cornmeal, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2/3 of a cup of sugar, a tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt. Then our wet ingredients: 1/3 of a cup of oil, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, a tablespoon of honey, 2 eggs beaten up, and 1.25 cups of milk. Then you're just going to add your wet to your dry and mix it just until it's combined like this, then stop. We're going to bake it at 350 for about 35 minutes. Make sure it's nice and spread out even until it comes out clean on a toothpick. It's the best cornbread you will ever have. Let me know if you try it. For more easy recipes, make sure you give me a like and a follow.